I see branded residences as the most exciting opportunity of the market with great returns. The CAGR is almost 20% in 2025. Branded residences is at the crossroads between real estate and hotel. We sell private homes affiliated with a hotel brand name to individuals. That means that as a resident, as a homeowner, I can buy an apartment or a villa inside a building or an estate, and I will benefit from services from a renowned hotel brand. This builds a sense of exclusivity and allows homeowners to live the lifestyle of the brand. The hotel truly enters their life. As a homeowner, I would be welcomed by a dedicated concierge. I could benefit from laundry services, go watch a movie in the residence entertainment room, eat at the hotel F&B venues, enjoy the hotel spa, work out in an exclusive fitness space, or even welcome friends and family in my apartment for a dinner cooked by a chef. I'm amazed by the diversity of experiences our homeowners can access across our brands, from the high-end luxury of Raffles, Fairmont, to the lively atmosphere of Mama Shelter and SLS. For an investor, a branded residence means a strong price premium, high sales absorption, and operating cost efficiency between hotel and residence. With the success of this segment, the strong appeal of our brands to buyers, and high profitability for owners and investors, we are even developing more and more standalone branded residences that are not co-located with a hotel. This is a very interesting trend that we call the hotelization of real estate.